All right, so here we go with the smoky quartz. So I'll start with these boxes, and some of these items will go into the kettle to be cleaned, if not most of them, because once a stone is cleaned it can sell, otherwise it's going to struggle to sell. Okay, so where's that kettle you said, Gilbert? Where's the kettle that you put it there? Oh yeah, oh here we go. All right, that's our kettle. Right, so let's start with this box. Okay, this guy will be cleaned. Okay, this one will be cleaned. Aegerine, let's pop Aegerine into that basket there. This one, I think it's clean enough. All right, it looks quite nice. We put it over there. This one will need some cleaning. This is a specimen of Aegerine. Let's cook it. Let's cook that one. Aegerine. Okay. Right, Aegerine. This is a cute little specimen. I like that. Let's put it over there. This is a piece of Aegerine. See all of those. Aegerine.
Die son is lekker.
Kyk hoe cute is hierdie specimen.
Huh?
Look how cute this is. This is super cute. Look here.
Ooh, dis mooi.
It's nice, eh? It's pretty.
It's baie pretty. I blink.
So let me put it with that one. So this is going to take some sorting. Okay, this is also quite nice. Here we go. This is Aegerine. Beautiful little specimens. Wonderful. Really, really great. Look at the way that it's stacked. Yeah, I like it. Right, we'll put it in there. This is nice. I like it. Okay, this is also nice with the feldspar standing up like that. Right. What about this one? It's got a nice little spray. If you can put it upright like that. Let me get some more order. Right, let's have a look. Small, 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 small. I think we'll make that as small as well. So I'm busy sorting this smoky quartz, but now what do you do with a piece like this? This one will need cutting. What about this one? More cleaning. Okay, these are the light smokies. Okay, these two can go into this box over here. Can stand with these. I think kettle. Kettle. Singing crystal. I don't know how many of these I will find. Okay, this type of foreign quartz. Sure. Right, into the kettle. This must be cleaned. We've just packed the kettle, and so I've got it on this little stove here, and we've just added some oxalic acid into the water. Yeah, and we'll give it an hour or 3 to cook, and then all of this brown muck that's on here, the iron oxide, is going to come loose, and then we'll give it a good spray. So let's just close my little pot, and it's cooking away happily. Morning everyone. So we'll be washing this stuff that we cooked yesterday. I'm saying cooked, but we boiled it. Okay, a bit. Let's pour off that water. Oh, they look nice and clean, eh? They really look nice. Yeah, that's looking really spunky. Very nice. I mean, look at this one. It's so clean. Yeah. It's brown. This is stunning. Aegerine and feldspar. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. The contrast, the white against the black. Okay, is that going to come off or not? Yes, it's coming off. You see, it's coming off. All that brown stuff, brown muck. Mm-hmm. See, once it's washed there, it comes off. Right. So they've now been cleaned, and this piece is fascinating. This one has rutilated needles inside. This one is so stunning. It's really great.